Good morning, guys. It's Friday. It's nice to see you. Okay, so I haven't gone on here and talked while I was on my phone in a while, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that. My neighbor's gonna think I'm crazy because they're sitting down on the porch. They've been doing that a lot here lately. A lot of things going on. So yesterday, got a knock on my door right after Maddie and I got through eating, and then what just fell? Oh, it was a Kirby salesman. She's really nice. It wasn't what I was expecting when she first started talking to me. But anyway, so I like the way the new Kirby's are. I've been a diehard rainbow fan for over 30 years. Until she showed me the difference in the way the suction carries in the bottom of the actual power nozzle part of it. The big it's falling off my car. God. Anyway, so it's very pretty out today. It's balmy 72 degrees this morning. Anyway, so yeah, so she came in. So she didn't leave till like 8:30. Yeah, it was getting late. It's ridiculous. But anyway, so then started looking for ways to do my drawing for the Christmas in July Fairies 21. That drove me nuts. And after reading all my comments, thank you guys, by the way, those of you who watch my regular videos. I want to thank each and every one of you for giving me information that other people were having the same issue. I was hoping it wasn't just me. So I downloaded an app called Picker, P-I-K-K-E-R. It's a free app from Google Play. It's very quick. You don't see the little spinny thing, you know, where the names fly out. It just automatically picks something. It lets you know if they have an actual channel, how many people they have. It gives you more information about that person, which is kind of cool. It's a free app with no advertisements, which is nice too, because Random Comment Picker has all these. If you're doing it on your phone or your tablet, it has really big advertisements all over the place, and you have to weed through them to get to picking your winner. So I like that. So now I don't have to worry. That's going to be nice. We had trouble from the start with this thing, and it's a shame because it's a great event and it's a lot of fun and it's exciting, and you know, you can win on multiple channels, or you can win the grand prize. You know, we're gonna have the drawing on the 25th, but anyway, I just want to put that out there. Thank you guys for giving me the information that you did. I read it after a light bulb went off, and I decided to see if there was another picker out there. And it's like, that's what a lot of people were saying. Try another picker. And I was like, yeah, that's what I had done already. So that was good. We're all on the same wavelength. But that was very frustrating. Midweek, I don't know, well, our power went out for like 4 hours, which was terrible. That day I didn't have an issue. It was the following day, 2 days later, I didn't hear either one of my alarms. I snoozed through one, waiting for the other one to go off, which is what I usually do. And my other one is my main one. It didn't go off. Matson had band camp. I went and had to wake her up. she said hers didn't go off. So it's like both of them at the same time. I don't know. Maybe we just slept too hard because I checked it. But then the next day I thought, I'm going to go ahead and just get up with my snooze alarm that I used to snooze with. This is my processed day. I said I wasn't going to eat processed food anymore, or at least I was going to try to cut back. So I'm having a blueberry bagel with some veggie sausage on it. But, so, what was I saying? The alarms. Okay. So then the next morning, I got up with my snooze alarm. And the other one still didn't go off, and I checked it. I was like, why isn't it going off? There's a game on Facebook Messenger called Thug Life. Those are my friends who watch me, you know what I'm talking about. And apparently, it was really dragging down my battery and my memory. I didn't download the app. I was playing it through Messenger. But because I had so many friends that were playing it too, my phone was constantly dinging with messages saying that, you know, I'd been attacked or someone had stole my goods, you know, whatever the gameplay is. I also got messages from friends that said, please don't send me game references. I don't play. Or, why am I getting these? I don't play. I felt so bad because the game was automatically sending out stuff to some of my other friends on my messenger. So, I was like, okay, that's it. I'm done. I have Messenger on my tablet, so I put a face post up about 2 or 3 days ago. That's I deleted my Messenger, and when you know it, I had so many people, bless their hearts, send me messages on that thread, on that Facebook post, saying, "How am I going to communicate with you?" And they were so sad, and I was like, I felt bad. I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. So I had to change my message up. I had to edit my post to say that I was going to keep it on my tablet, so that way I can still get a hold of it. So people can still get a hold of me. But yeah, that was crazy. And it was an okay game. Nothing challenging about it. It was just luck of the draw and skill, and like a, what do you call it, slot machine, sort of like a slot machine type thing. You earn these cans, and the cans let you spin, and then with the coins that you earn, you go and buy stuff for your territory until you get all the territory you need. Then you go to the next territory, and so on and so on. Go down the wormhole. Segue. Speaking of wormholes, I got on TikTok. After I got frustrated a couple of times with the picker last night, I went ahead and got on TikTok. Just kind of kill some time. And if it'll let me, I will insert them at the end of this video. Y'all, this is the craziest looking stuff with these filters that I've ever seen. You'll see one that I'm talking about when I put it up. There's one of me and the kitty cat singing I'm a Little Teapot. You gotta see this. It's I watching it, it's me, and I'm still laughing. So then I put one up that it's called Drag Queen. That's the name of the filter, is Drag Queen. But I look like a kabuki warrior. And I talk. I change my voice and I talk little sentences. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's hilarious. To me, it's hilarious. I don't know. And then there's another one. It's me mouthing Evanescence. I can't put that on there because it's got copyright infringement, but I will put the kabuki and the cat up. You guys, the drag queen and the cat up. You guys are gonna crack up. I swear, it's so funny. So it's Friday. My friend and I are going out tonight. So I ended up doing the drawing for the cross stitch giveaway last weekend, and then I did the drawing for the giveaway for the Christmas and July fairies, which I have to turn in that information in today at Wonderlust Crochet. But I'm supposed to go out tonight with some friends. Should be fun. Yay! It is so muggy. Oh, it's now 73 degrees. Yay! I got 3 minutes before I gotta clock in. 3 minutes before I gotta clock in. 3 minutes. Anyway, alright. So, looks like everybody's slowly but surely coming in. I'll talk to you guys later. Just wanted to put that out there. So yeah, so again, thank you guys for the great wishes. Those of you who gave me information on that other people were having the same issue. YouTube is jacked. I wish we had another venue that we could all meet. And then Random Comment Picker was just in shock because it was communicating with YouTube. Apparently, a Random Comment Picker is owned by Facebook. And I think YouTube is associated with Facebook somehow now. Well, they're a separate entity, but there's something that links them together. But anyway, so I'll try to talk to you guys later. If not, I will talk to you tomorrow. But I'm going to go ahead and, well, some people haven't gotten their child tax credit yet. And I was one of the fortunate ones that already got mine, but it's already gone to bills. Yeah. Yeah. $250 for band camp. That's fun. Anyway, I got to go, guys. I'll see you later. Bye. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour. Oh, how dare you? You must die. So good morning, guys. This is the remnants of what happens when you go out to a smoky bar. Number one, you don't smoke anymore. I quit 21, 22 years ago, something like that, and sing karaoke. I got the Kathleen Turner thing going on. This is the remnants of my makeup from last night. But I had a really good time. Ran into some old friends. That was nice. But yeah, I wanted to add this to the video. I'm going to add some pictures at the end of some selfies that I took. And I think they turned out pretty good myself. Let me know what you think. I've got to go get this makeup off. It's driving me nuts. Anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. My friend Brandy and I had a really good time. I always do. But anyway. So yeah, so thank you for watching and being part of my life. I did hear from the Christmas and July Fairies 21. I did hear from the winner. And so I'm going to get her gift out on Monday morning. Just a little something. So if you're watching, if you're the contestants, good luck everybody in the grand drawing on the 25th. I'm anxious to see who's going to win. So anyway, yeah, we will... Anyway, let's hope it's my channel's winner. But oh, if not, I mean, I hope you guys win. Whoever got chosen on the other channels too. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to exclude anybody. I'm just happy for her. Anyway, I'm happy for everybody. It was a lot of fun. I'm anxious to see how many fairies we actually had. We had 162 last year, so I'm thinking we didn't have as many this year. I don't know. YouTube was so screwed up anyway, and I'm holding this with my hand because I don't have my selfie stick in here, and I apologize for that, for the shaking. But anyway, I want to get this together and get it up, and I will see you guys either later today or sometime tomorrow. I've got those giveaways to get up, so keep watching. Thank you for watching, being part of my family. If you're new to my channel and you like the content, please go check out my other videos. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification to make sure you don't miss any of my videos. And I will, or just check back into my channel periodically. You'll see new videos every week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.